Sometimes once you've edited your image, you'll notice things don't quite line up, or sometimes you're missing something. So what you'll need to do is clone and take parts of the other image. So for example, when I put my picture together, um, I was missing parts of my hair. So what I had to do was duplicate my hair so that way I would get more color and would fill it up. For this example, I'm going to look at my arm here. You can see it was a little sloppy when I was cutting out the image of Niagara Falls, and you can see some of the color of my arm underneath, which I don't like. So when you're doing this, you want to be clicked on the layer that you are cloning. So I am cloning this layer right here of Niagara Falls, which is layer 10. So to start, I'm going to go to my polygonal lasso tool, and I'm going to highlight exactly the part that I want to fill up. So for me, it's this edge around my arm. All right, that is the part that needs to be filled in. Again, outlining this just helps us be more specific and make sure we don't have more errors that we have to clean up after. All right, so now you can see I have highlighted my working area. All right, I'm going to zoom in a little bit so that way we have more space to see here. All right, so for this I go to the clone stamp tool. All right, so this is a stamp, and I'm going to take from one area and move that color onto another. I'm going to use a smaller brush for this. All right, now how this works is I want to take the color from here and put it on this area. So if I hover and I want to hold down the command tool, which is right beside the space bar, and when you click, that's going to take the color from there. Then you're going to move over, and that is going to fill in your area. So you can see what I'm filling in on the right. It's taking exactly from the left where that lighter spot is. And then it's letting me take that color and add it into this section. All right, so again, click Command, hit once from your source, and then when you go to the area you want to color, it will allow you to color it in. And again, if I go away from the dotted lines, it's not doing anything. It only is coloring in the dotted line area. All right, when you're satisfied, you go Edit, deselect, and you can see that it's filled it in a little bit better than before. All right, I could go back, zoom in even closer, and still clean up some of those messed up areas.